Today's video features a special review. This, in my opinion, is a game changer. You'll get a soft pull pre-approval with limit up to $3,000. So if you're concerned about your credit score, please don't be. Applying won't lower your credit score. If you want to build or fix your credit, this credit card is a great choice. No security deposit is needed, and there is no annual fee for the first year if you sign up for autopay. Also, you can choose the date of your monthly payment and you can easily keep track of your account with a free mobile app. I'm talking about the Prosper Credit Card. Here's the summary of Prosper Credit Card. Initial credit limit of up to $3,000. No annual fee for the first year if you sign up for autopay. Designed for people with fair credit. No security deposit is needed. Issued by Coastal Community Bank and FDIC member. You can choose the date of your monthly payment as well. It's easy to keep track of your account with a free mobile app. It's a great choice for people who want to build or rebuild their credit. APR on purchases ranges from 20.49% to 31.49%. A 1% fee for foreign transactions. And you'll also get access to a free mobile app, My Prosper Card. So why you should apply for a Prosper Credit Card? You can check to see whether you qualify without hurting your credit score. You'll normally cannot tell if you'll be approved for credit card without a hard credit inquiry, which can temporarily drop your credit score. The Prosper Card lets you see what you'd be offered without hurting your credit score. This way, you can decide if it's the right card for you with a clear head. Note that if you finish the rest of the application process and get approved, the card will lower your credit score a little bit when it is added to your credit report. There is no need for security deposit. It can be hard to build credit if you don't have much money to start with. A security deposit is needed for a secured credit card, which can be hard for many people to do. The Prosper Card doesn't need a security deposit, which makes it a great choice for people who want to build their credit. It has no annual fee. Cardholders who sign up for autopay don't have to pay an annual fee for the first year. Because of this, the Prosper Card is a good choice for people who want to save money on fees. Your credit limit can go up after 3 months. The Prosper Card can be a good choice if you want to build the credit. If you use your card well for 3 months, you'll be able to get your credit line raised. And unlike with other credit building cards, you don't have to ask for a review or send in extra paperwork. Your account will be reviewed automatically, and if you are approved for more credit, you'll be able to use it to improve your financial profile. So if you want a card that will help you build your credit fast and easy, you should think about the Prosper Card. You'll get credit limit as high as $3,000. So the credit limit on the Prosper Card is up to $3,000. This is important because it gives you enough space to buy what you need without going over your credit limit. And if you use your credit wisely, you might be able to get an increase in your credit limit after only 3 months. It reports to several credit bureaus. So the Prosper Card reports to all 3 of the major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is crucial due to the fact that if you use your Prosper Card responsibly, it can help you build credit quickly and easily. Also, letting more than one credit bureau know about your credit history can help you get more credit in the future. You can qualify with fair credit. People with fair credit can get the Prosper Credit Card. This makes it a great choice for people who want to build or strengthen their credit. It's also not secured, so you don't have to pay a security deposit. There is a protection against identity theft. The Prosper Card protects you from fraud and from having your identity stolen. As a result, you can relax knowing that your sensitive information is protected. If your card is lost or stolen, you can cancel it and ask for a new one quickly and easily. Additionally, you won't ever be liable for false charges. And there are no fees for getting cash from an ATM. With the Prosper Card, there are no fees for getting the cash from an ATM. This is significant since it allows you to obtain the cash you require without incurring additional cost. You'll also have access to more than 24,000 ATMs across the country, so you can always get cash when you need to. Once you get the card, you can use it right away. So you can use your Prosper card without waiting for a physical card to arrive in the mail. When your application is accepted, you may download the Prosper app from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store to receive a digital card. You can add the digital card to your digital wallet once you have it. When you log into your account online, you can also get a temporary digital card. So though this card has great benefits, it has its cons as well. Let's look at its cons. The card has a high APR. So the APR on the Prosper credit card is high at 24.99%. The people who constantly pay off their credit in full each month and never carry a balance from month to month are the ones who should use the Prosper credit card. Card does not offer any rewards or perks, so you won't receive any rewards as a result of your purchases. Card doesn't have a sign-up bonus as well. So on your initial purchases, you won't receive any benefits. No balance transfers are available with this card. As a result, you won't be able to transfer debt from a credit card with a high interest rate to this card to reduce interest costs. Card does not offer 0% intro APR as well. As a result, interest will start to accumulate on your purchases and balance transfers as of the transaction date. So, Prosper is a good credit card option for people with fair credit, and you'll get a soft pull pre-approval with limit up to $3,000. This could be a fantastic strategy to start or build your credit history if you are confident in your ability to make regular payments on time each month. So that's all for today. If you found the video useful, then give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.